Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock Roblox in banned countries. So first of all, you want to go right on your browser, Chrome Web Store, VPN, and then the first one will come up as setup VPN. You just want to click on that. Okay, so as you can see, I already have it, so you just want to press there. It'll say add extension and then agree. So then once that's downloaded, you want to open a new tab, and on the top right there's going to be a little logo like this. You want to click on it. Okay, so basically I'm already logged in, I have an account, but before that you're gonna have to sign up. It'll take about 30 seconds, and then here you are. We got many countries, so I'm just gonna connect to France. Connecting. As you can see, it's connected. So now you want to go and write up Roblox. Okay, you want to just press on Roblox. Okay, as you can see, it opens up, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. So yeah, and basically if you want to guys friend me on Roblox, here's my account name, and this is my other account. I mostly use this account, but yeah, so yeah, that's it, I guess. So subscribe, like, comment, and peace guys.